Welcome to Scholarships 365 YouTube channel, one of the world's largest opportunity network. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified of all the latest opportunities that we will be sharing with you. Welcome back to Scholarships 365 YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about University of Canterbury Scholarships 2023 in New Zealand, which are fully funded, offered to undergraduate, master's, and PhD degree students. So, a little detail about University of Canterbury. It is one of the second oldest university in New Zealand and one of the most prestigious university, which was founded in 1873. It is also a famous university in New Zealand. If you talk about one of the top leading world-class research universities of New Zealand, then the University of Canterbury name is on the list. Now let's talk about University of Canterbury scholarship programs. Almost 277 types of scholarship programs are offered to support short courses, diplomas, bachelor's, master's, and PhD studies. So these are the undergraduate scholarship programs. Almost 38 scholarship programs are available, and for master's and PhD, you can check here. Different scholarship programs are also available. Now let's check these scholarship programs. Different kind of scholarships are available. This is for undergraduate scholarship program. This is different scholarships offered to national and international students. So you can check here all scholarships, their eligibility criteria. Are you eligible for these scholarships or not by filling this form? What do you want to study? You want to study undergraduate. Okay. For which school? For, let's say, we want to study arts, international students, your subject of study, accounting. What is your hardship? Is it financial burden or student with disabilities, women, part-time studies, any of these? Award type, you need a scholarship, a prize, or a fund. Let's say we need a scholarship. So these are the scholarships by my search. Whatever the eligibility I filled, it is according to that. You can see here, and you can view details by clicking here and check that scholarship or fund or whatever that award is. You can check its detail. The award amount is $900, and all the details are available. Do you need to fill any application or not? The details are available. Now this is for master's or PhD degree program. You can also select here and search by eligibility. So now let's looking at the degree programs. Almost all kind of degree programs are available at this New Zealand university. As you can see, more than 130 degree programs are available. The eligibility criteria is that you are not citizen of New Zealand, Australia, and you must be an international applicant. So you must have completed on or after 1 January of the year before the year of application, must be applied for admission before 15th of August. Documents, these are the documents required. So the application deadline is 15th of August 2023, and the application procedure is completely online. By checking the eligibility, you can apply according to the scholarship in which you are eligible, and that's it. So yes guys, that's you how you apply for University of Canterbury scholarships 2023 in New Zealand, which is a fully funded opportunity offered to all international students. So avail this opportunity and become a part of this never-ending life experience. I hope you like this video. Till next video, take care.